Live Smarter. So today is 26th of December, around 12. So we are going for kayak, and we are going to Tanji. Is the one place mostly people do fishing, and from there our journey or our trip starts. And with this water is listen to music, and at the front is Aisha. Here is I don't know if you will hear me because we don't have mics today. So
we entered a brand new highway that comes all the way from the Brikama highway from Old Joshwank. It goes all the way through the shore up to the airport. It passed Senegambia, it passed Turntable. So the whole trip to Tanji from Kotu took us like 25 minutes. It was the Boxing Day, so it wasn't that bad. The traffic was okay, as you can see on the picture, no traffic jams. And we passed Brewfoot, then we reached one and only police checkpoint. So let's see how did it go there.
mamy teraz kolejny postój. We easily passed the checkpoint. Kuba was speaking in Wolof, so they let us go without any trouble. And now we have just few minutes to get the place. Here is very green line of trees, and after these trees we see ocean. And now we got the place, but I cannot open the doors. I struggle with this. I don't know how to do it. It's so complicated. Can you open this one? Okay. I am released.
We just arrived at the kayak spot. You can see the kayaks. They are waiting for us. I mean, we are waiting for some people to join, and all of us will go to the island. And this is our group, 8 of people. So we are going to depart. It's 1 p.m. The weather is not bad, not too much sun, quite cloudy, as you can see. So we'll make some shoots, we'll record more and tell you how is it.
What about you, Walter? Do you know how to swim?
Definitely not.
So if we fall down or the kayak
Well,
capsize,
I just hope somebody saves me.
He will drag you.
me,
Take your leg.
I think I will not have too much strength to do this. What about you, Aisha? You know how to swim?
No, I don't swim.
Okay, so what if the case will be that you will be
I
in
rely
the
on
water?
James.
Really?
Yes.
You believe him that he knows how to swim?
Yes, I do believe him.
Alright.
And I can swim.
Okay, you have big faith then.
Very big one.
Good. Okay.
I'm just making connect.
Gdzie twoje paddles?
Don't worry, just go in.
blisko, jest krokodyl.
Yeah, joking.
Is it moving?
Wait, that's not a crocodile. Is it?
Yeah, watch out, there is a crocodile, you see?
Crocodile.
Yeah.
What is it? They were not crocodile. He's kidding, man. It's not crocodile. They said it's,
You see the eyes?
no, that's not. They said it's salty. There's no crocodiles.
Some crocodiles, they like salty water.
If they would say something different, we would not go.
This is.
No, we are joking.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, here is a fisherman. Tutaj pan sobie łowi ryby. Hello! Salam alaikum! Nanga dev! Yeah, we are good. Oh, the whole family of crabs.
So after meeting crabs and like an hour of paddling, we reached our picnic destination, and then Paul got a fantastic idea of making people scared playing Indians.
How come? How did you guys get here so fast?
Yes! Yes! Well, we are third then. 1, 2. How many boats have we so far?
No, you're like 6.
Sixth! Whoa!
No, it's good.
I thought we were like 10.
I think we're at how many?
We made it!
So I will show you a bit what they are having. It's a nice thing. We paddle for like 1 hour. When you do it fast, maybe 1 hour 30 minutes if you enjoy, if you go slow. And then you have a thing like this. Have fruits. Thomas, what is inside? Not bad. Spring rolls and chicken. Aliu,
Yo,
do you mind saying a few words? How do you like the trip?
this trip is amazing. I'm loving it, and I'm about to eat. So I don't want to say too much because I'm very hungry. And when you're hungry, you're usually angry. But I'm not angry right now. I'm happy.
Okay.
The trip was really, really good. It was very long, but it's worth it. So
It was just 1 hour.
No. It was long for me. It was not long for you. Probably did it, but I'll probably say a lot more when I eat. But right now, I need to eat first.
Okay, let us leave him to that. Patricia, how did you like the trip?
I liked it very much.
I hope
It was very nice.
chips, chicken.
Walter, what of you? How did you like the trip?
Yeah, it was fun.
It's good this guy is exercising now.
Show us what's inside.
Exactly.
What do you think? What do you expect?
I think sausage.
Chicken and chips. Benettin. No, not Benettin.
Carrot cake.
Try next time. So right now we are going to play a game. We are after eating. Picnic was nice. So it's a bottle game. We don't know yet what is it about, but you will see it on the video soon.
Let's make it more fun. So I'll say head, soldier, knee. So whatever I say, you have to do. But you don't have to touch the bottle until I say bottle. Okay. And when I say bottle, whoever gets it first wins. Okay. Can I do it? No, get up. When they say head, you get up. When they say head, you stand up like this. So not like this. Head. 3, 2, head.
I need to put my back. Hell no.
As you could see, the games were a lot of fun. We played 3 of them. The first one was catching the bottle, who will get it first. Second was like going in and out of the circle. But sadly not everyone played fair. Look at him. Aha, he put Patricia inside the circle and she had to leave. Aliu, we will remember that. The third game, in my country called Hot Potato, the music is playing, you have to pass the item, and the person who holds the item when the music stops, that person loses. So we had really a lot of fun. After these 3 games, we are preparing to leave.
Now it's time to go back, and we were very happy. We have a lot of fun, and we met nice people that we will remember very long. We observe beautiful nature. The event was organized very well, so we really enjoy it, and we recommend cheap trips.
Jay.